loosen the harness of trust, survey an impulse of lust. The thespians far away, rooted yet forced to stay.